Okay, morning. I'm pretty sure it's not a good morning. I seem to have accumulated some more issues that I mentioned briefly yesterday. The Airbnb was nice, the toilet is broken, but otherwise a very nice accommodation. I got my bike in this yard, which is fenced in, so it's pretty safe to store all my stuff. But yeah, now we need to get to Poland, and my trouble is my back is really bad now. So the problem that started yesterday, or the day before actually, has become even worse. Yeah, every step hurts. I took a trip last summer, I had no issues with anything. And now I have issues with everything. Really hope I have everything with me. Well, my next accommodation is in 2.5, maybe 250 kilometers. So today's mission is to go to the Yamaha store and try to get a lowering link installed or purchased. I can do it myself. So where should I go now? Up there probably. So yeah, we're going to the Polish Yamaha store, the OEM dealer. I sent them an email 3 days ago asking for the lowering links, but they don't answer. And I sent an email to 3 different Polish Yamaha dealers and none of them answered their emails. So, not very good sign of customer service. Okay, the back feels reasonably okay when sitting down, which is a good sign. I have 190 kilometers to the Yamaha store. I have a pretty interesting farm Airbnb that was really cheap, like 16 euros a night for the next 2 nights, and I will try to rest for 1 day again sooner than I would like, but I will try to get my back in order. This was a beautiful city, just very surprising. I've never been here for some reason, even though it's right on the way to Poland. I never stopped here last summer, but a very recommended place to stop. Oh, I feel so much better now that I'm on the road. Oh, there's a speed camera. I don't know the speed limit. It's supposed to be 70, but I'm gonna just play it safe and drive 40. Let's put the heated grips on. Even though the Koso grips are absolute trash, never buy them. I put these in the video that I made previously about the kit on my bike, but do not buy these grips. These are absolute shit. Garbage. You don't even feel them. That was a Tenere as well. First one for this trip that I've seen.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell ya
Okay, now you can see Yamaha Center. I have no idea even they have a service, so I guess they sell parts here. Usually that is the way these things work. Okay, let's see if they help us. Nice. That was Pietro. He helped me to find this garage here in Poland, and they promised to install the links for me and get the front end also, the 18 millimeters down. So perfect luck for me. Wow, there's lights as well. Wow! Wow, that's amazing. Wow, those guys really know their stuff. Looks like factory bike. It's so, all the finishing, it's just amazing. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous bike. That's a fat rear end. I've never seen a tire this big before. Beautiful. Okay, I got really lucky yesterday. I found the part that I needed from the Yamaha store, the lowering link for the rear. And they said that the next possible time would be Tuesday to switch it in place. And I didn't have the tools necessary to do it. I need like 17 and 19. I have individual tools for those sizes, but oh, I have to watch out for the dog shit here. But I don't have a tool for each side of the bolt, so it would have been difficult. So what I did is I drove to Suzuki store and asked if I could borrow some tools and do the work outside. But they didn't allow that, even if I offered to pay for the tools. They said no. But I was lucky. The Pietro, I think you say the name that way, I'm not sure, happened to hear me talking about it in the Suzuki store and said that he knows a place that will take any bike and usually help traveling motorcyclists. So it was Friday afternoon, pretty late. So I thought, well, probably not gonna help me, but let's go anyway and try. And luckily they said that if you have 1 hour to wait, we can do it. The whole job for me. And I was like, wow, that's really lucky. First of all, to find a part and then find a place that will do the job and do it well. So I didn't make much videos from there because I don't want to shove my camera into people's faces. At this time, maybe I learned to do that at some point, but I did video the OCC chopper and a little clip from the outside of the store, but amazing service in there. I will put the link below to the place. If you're ever in Poland, if you're ever in the eastern Poland, that place will definitely help you. There was a lot of bikes and a lot of customers there. It was a well-known place, let's say that much. And they were real professionals and actual bikers themselves, so they understood my issue very well. So the bike feels a lot more confidence inspiring now that it's lowered a little bit. I feel like I have more stable footing when I come to a stop, even with the gear on the bike. So it was a nice upgrade. I have to change my hand here because damn, these iPhones are heavy. My wrist is already a little bit better. My back is still hurting. It's not worse than it was 2 days ago, so there's still hope. I hope it's not gonna be bothering me for too long. That's just a quick story for this rest day in Poland. I'm gonna be continuing my trip tomorrow, and if my back is okay, I'm gonna be driving a little bit of a TET, the eastern part of Polish TET, at least a little bit, just to get a taste. But nothing crazy with these issues that I've been having. I can't take the risk that I break my back any more than it is already hurting. That's me signing out from Poland. See you tomorrow on the trails at the very latest.